Hello, and thank you for choosing Optimotion Orthopaedics. This video will guide you through the important steps leading up to your joint replacement surgery. Our goal is to make sure you feel prepared and confident every step of the way. You'll have a phone call with one of our surgery coordinators to select your surgery date. During this call, you'll schedule your pre-operative appointment and discuss medical clearances. Please take out your primary care clearance form labeled number 2. This form needs to be completed within 60 days of your surgery date. We recommend scheduling all appointments 60 to 45 days before surgery to meet your clearance deadline. Your clearance deadline is 30 days before surgery, so all parts must be submitted by then. This includes the signed primary care clearance form, recent office visit notes, and necessary labs. If you're diabetic, your A1C must be below 8% to proceed with surgery. An EKG is also required, and remember to call our clearance coordinator after your final appointment. If you need a specialist clearance, refer to the specialist clearance form labeled number 2. You'll need cardiology clearance if you're seeing a cardiologist, and other specialist clearances as requested. This form must be completed within 6 months of your surgery, along with recent office visit notes and relevant test results. We only need one EKG, whether from your primary care physician or cardiologist. If you're on blood thinners, your doctor will advise when to stop them before surgery. In addition to primary and specialist clearances, you may need to complete a pain management agreement form. An immunosuppressant agreement form and a nicotine test may also be required if you're an active user. The surgery coordinators will confirm all clearance timeframes and requirements during your call. Please reserve your questions for your phone call with the surgery coordinators. Next, let's review the knee replacement handbook labeled number 3. This will summarize common questions, but be sure to review the packet thoroughly before your call. Flip to page 1 for the address of your surgery location. For the Advanced Surgery Center of Orlando, it's 6900 Turkey Lake Road. For Dr. Phillips Hospital, it's 9400 Turkey Lake Road. Surgery center patients will receive a call a few days before surgery for arrival instructions. Hospital patients will get a call the day before surgery with their exact arrival time. Below that, you'll find our main office number, 407-355-31220. Option 1 is for surgery coordinators, and option 3 is for the clearance coordinator. On page 2, you'll find the must-do list. 3 months prior to surgery, no cortisone injections are allowed in the operative joint. From 6 weeks before to 6 weeks after surgery, no vaccinations or dental appointments are allowed. You may have a cortisone injection on another body part, but it must be at least 6 weeks before surgery. On page 3, you'll see medications to stop prior to surgery. 2 weeks before surgery, stop all antibiotics, weight loss medications, vitamins, and supplements. 7 days before surgery, stop all medications that increase bleeding, including aspirin and ibuprofen. You can continue taking Tylenol before and after surgery. If you take other medications not listed, confirm stop dates with your providers during your pre-op appointment. Jumping to page 12, you'll find pre-operative exercises for total knee replacements. If you're having a total hip replacement or general surgery, please disregard these exercises. Start these exercises 14 days before surgery to strengthen the muscles around your knee. Lastly, please bring a walker with 2 wheels in the front to your surgery. If you don't have one, we can prescribe it at your pre-op appointment. Physical therapy after surgery will be 3 times a week for 6 weeks. Post-operative care depends on your insurance and location, so let us know any specific requests in advance. Please reserve your questions for your call with the surgery coordinators. We look forward to helping you get back to the active, pain-free life you deserve.